Welcome to Awesome Spreadsheets. In this demo video, we're going to show you how to create a material takeoff and cost estimate. First thing you want to do is head down to your navigation button and select Material Takeoff. Next, to complete your takeoff, you simply want to add your item number, the items you want to add to the estimate. Once you do that, the material, labor, subcontractor, or equipment cost is going to be retrieved from your material database. You could overwrite the unit price. You want to link this item to an account from your charts of accounts. Next, you want to add additional notes, your drawing reference, and location. Then you want to do your measurement takeoff. You're going to get a total. You want to add the unit price. In some cases, there might be a conversion rate that you have to apply, and the unit after the conversion rate. You want to add any material waste, and then the spreadsheet is going to calculate the total with waste and your unit. It's going to give you your price per unit, your subtotal, and then if you want to add any taxes, your tax rates are going to be applied and you would be given a total. So the goal of this spreadsheet, once you're done, is not only are you going to be able to see your total costs for the item, but you're also going to be given a material list for that item. Now we're going to go through an example of how to do a drywall takeoff. So the first item number, we're going to add some drywall. In this case, we're going to go with 2x4 by 8 half inch. The unit price and unit is retrieved. So it's $15.80 per sheet for the material. Price override, we're not going to override the price at this point. We're going to link that to an account from our chart of account. This account is going to be used for our budget versus actual later on. Next, we want to add some notes. So let's just assume this is drywall for wall areas. The drawing reference number is A1. The location is, let's just say, master bedroom. Next, we're going to do our material takeoff based on measurements. Let's assume the dimensions of a room is a square. It's 10 linear feet by 10 linear feet by 10 linear feet by 10 linear feet. So it's a perfect square, no windows and doors. So we're going to have 40 linear feet, and the height of the walls are 8 feet. So the square footage, the total square footage of the room is 320 square feet. So in a case where we know the exact count of drywall that we need, rather than doing a takeoff, we could say we need 20 sheets of drywall, and that's just going to be 20 sheets. Or in the case of our measurements, so 40 linear feet by 8 feet high gives us 320 square feet. Let's say we're doing a master bedroom and a secondary bedroom. We could multiply this by 2, so it's going to double the square footage for the 2 rooms. But in this case, we're not going to use the multiplication factor. Now we're going to add our total unit. In this case, it's square footage. So we're going to add that here, square feet. So 320 square feet. The conversion factor is for the material that we want to convert. So in this case, each sheet of drywall is equal to 4 feet times 8, which is 32. So that means that 320 square feet divided by a conversion factor of 32 square feet per sheet of drywall is going to give us 10 sheets of drywall. So the converted unit here is going to be in sheets. So we go down here to sheets, so we need 10 sheets of drywall. And for wastage, we're going to add 2 extra sheets. So now we have our material list. We're looking at 12 sheets of drywall, and the unit price is $15 per unit. So that's going to give us a subtotal of $189.60. And in this case, we're going to add both taxes. we're going to add GST and PST, so we're going to select both. Our GST is 5%, our PST is 7%, and our total is our subtotal plus taxes, brings us to $212.35. Now, if we wanted to override the price, we could just come here and select $25. Maybe the time we did the takeoff, the unit price was $15.80, but the time we went to order the material, there was a price increase, so we could just override the price. And down here, we could see that the unit price has been increased to $25. So 25 times 12 is 300, and we're going to add our taxes. So we're looking at a total of $336. So that is how you use the override feature. The final thing that I would show here is as we continue to build our material takeoff, let's say we're doing the exact same measurement here for item number 2. The total for the project is going to be added at the top here. So the total taxes for GST, total PST, and the total of materials is going to be added here. And once you're ready to order your material list is going to be right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one.